Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a really simple golden-eyed look. So I've done my base, but I'll let you know what I've used. So first I went in with the Hangover primer, and then I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. And for my under eyes, I went in with two concealers today, the NARS Radient Creamy concealer and the Tarte Shape Tape. This shade is actually a little light for me, so I like to mix it up. Then to set everything in, I used the Mercier translucent powder and just bronzed my skin with the FACED Chocolate Soleil bronzer and my blush in Paarty from Tarte. Highlighted my face with the Mercier highlight in number 1. And my brows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil and the RIMMEL Born This Way brow gel in clear. So I'll just show you how to do the eyes. First, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Primer portion. So I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelids and use my finger to blend it all in up to my brows. I'm gonna be using the MAC paint pot in Indianwood. This is how it looks. You can use a shade stick in golden color or another company paint pot in a nice golden color, and I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid up to my crease. This is a super easy look and it looks very dressed up and evening, especially if you pair it with a red lip that I'll be doing today. And it's actually a perfect eye look for the summer because it's nice and bronzy and not too much. Okay. So you can add more if you want to intensify it. I feel it's not as vibrant as I like it to be. And then I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. Okay, so with the Urban Decay Naked Basics, I'm gonna go in with the shade Naked 2 and just put this in my crease to blend it up to the brow bone. And then I'm just gonna use the shade Venus with the same brush, but put quite a bit of it for my brow bone highlight. Then I'm just gonna go in with a small pencil brush and use the same shade Venus for my inner corner highlight. The most important part of this look is to blend the cream color out in your crease well, because if you don't do that, then it'll create a harsh line. I'm gonna go in with the darker brown shade, Faint, and put very little on my same blending brush and just go into my crease but not blend it out as far. Just keep it more concentrated to give it a more dimension. Give my eyes a bit more dimension. So very slightly just deepening up that crease. basically you might feel some of your eyeshadow have rubbed off, so I'm just gonna go in again with the Indianwood color and add a bit more of it because I want that to be really intense. For my lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Naked and then the darker brown shade in Faint and just blend it out a bit. Just gonna go back with this brush and blend everything out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible shadow in the shade Amber Rush. So I am gonna use the same flat shader brush, and preferably the side that you use the cream shadow with, so this sticks really well. I'm just gonna press this and then press it on my lid, concentrating it more in the center. Not like, basically not till the end, but maybe 2/3 of the eyelid. And then again, just going in with the blending brush and smoothing things out. Now I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal and tightline my lower and upper lash line, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back after tightlining. So I'm just gonna go in with the same pencil liner and just put it some really close to the lash line as well. It doesn't matter if it's not a perfect line because we're just gonna smudge it out a little bit. But just make sure it's not too thick. And then with the pencil brush again, I'm just gonna go in and even out that line. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Loreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and really coat those lashes. When I really want my lashes to look nice and full, I take the time to put on the mascara and spread them out evenly as much as I can. It really makes a difference to the overall look. Now for the final step, I'm gonna go in with a red lip. So I'm using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid lip pencil in the shade, I have no idea what's the shade name, but the red one, and I'm gonna go in with MAC Ruby Woo. So just line your lips. Hi guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Please do like, subscribe, and share my channel. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Bye till next time.